The Rubik's Cube. You've probably seen someone solve it within seconds, or you've seen someone solve it with a blindfold on. But my goal is try to solve it in under 2 minutes. Day 1. Boom. Time. 12 minutes. 13 minutes. Oh, man. I gotta cut that down to 2 minutes. Slowly but surely, we'll get there, Alright guys, day 2. Now just watching me solve a Rubik's Cube can be quite boring, so here are some interesting facts. Like, did you know the Rubik's Cube is the best-selling toy of all time? There are also over 43 quintillion combinations to Rubik's Cube. Time. Hell yeah. 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Did you guys also know only about 5.8% of the human population know how to solve a Rubik's Cube? I spent all day yesterday memorizing the algorithms and patterns, and that is what I got. 4 minutes. We are 2 minutes away from our goal. Let's do it. At first, when you're reading the algorithms, it looks like mumbo jumbo.
Always look at it and code it?
Once you start doing it consistently, you start to see how the algorithms and patterns work. 2 minutes away. Ready, set, go. Time. 1:31. Holy crap. I did it. I finally did it. Under 2 minutes. Jeez. 1:31. I got lucky on that one. I want to be loud, but I can't. The neighbors are outside. I want to yell at the top of my lungs right now. 1:31:06. Jeez, like. That was a struggle. I don't know how these guys do it blindfolded or within like 5 seconds. That was super difficult. Jeez. 1:31. Hell yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you later. Peace.